Hi everyone, this is Norris Tony coming back to you all with another video. I'm going to read my prayer book first, Walk in Faith, and then I'm going to read the last section of this money or managing your money book. But before I get to that, I'm going to read a Bible verse and I'm going to read a prayer. So then they are in the flesh, cannot please God. That's from Romans chapter 8, verse 8. Growing older doesn't necessitate letting go of faith. Even though our bodies are getting older and our thinking may not be as sharp as it once was, God is still the same. We can always depend on Him. Our flesh is weak and impermanent, but our eternal life in God will always be unhindered. Okay, I didn't come to the end of this book, Managing Your Money. I'm gonna read the last section of this book, and it's called Money Words and Terms. So I'm not gonna be on too long, but then after this, I'm gonna be done reading this book completely. Because after this, they have, like quiz answers and the index, and I'm not going to read those. So, but anyway, money words and terms. I'm going to start now. AER. AER stands for Annual Equivalent Rate. AER is used as a way of comparing different interest rates on savings. Allowance. Regular money paid by parents or guardians to their children. App. A software application that is designed to perform special features and can be downloaded onto a phone, tablet, or other computer device. APR. APR stands for Annual Percentage Rate. APR is used as a way of comparing different interest rates on loan repayments. Arranged overdraft, see overdraft. ATM, see cash machine. Bank account, a service offered by a bank or building society allowing you to pay in money, take out cash, and pay bills, etc. The bank keeps a record of everything that happens to your money. Okay, let me see if anybody in the chat. I see 4 people that's watching. Oh, hi, Marva. How are you? Nice for you to join me tonight. Anyway, the next page, bank balance, the amount of money you have in your bank account. Bank card, a plastic card issued by your bank or building society that gives you access to the money in your bank account. Bank cards may be cash cards or debit cards. Bank loan, money that bank account holders arrange to borrow from their bank and then pay back with an interest rate that has been arranged in advance. Benefits, payments made by the government to certain groups of people. Disability benefit, child benefit, and maternity benefit are all examples of benefits paid for by the state. Budget, a way of planning your finances in which you set out your income and expenses, then plan how to spend the rest of your money. Building society, an organization that is owned by its members who have shares in the society. Building societies offer the same services as banks. Cash machine, a machine that allows people to use their bank cards to take out cash and check their bank balance. Other names for a cash machine are cash point, hole in the wall, and ATM. ATM stands for automated teller machine. Contactless payment, a way of making a payment by waving or tapping a contactless device, such as a bank card or a phone or near a contactless reader. Contract, a legal agreement between one person or organization and another person or organization that says what both sides must do. For example, you could have a contract with an employer or with a phone company. Council tax, money paid by homeowners and renters to their local council to pay for their local services, such as street lighting and rubbish collection. Credit, money put into an account is credited to that account. If an account is in credit, there is money in it that is available to spend. Another term for building in credit is being in the black. Ooh, excuse me. Credit card, a plastic card available to over 18-year-olds that allows you to borrow money in order to make purchases. Credit cards have very high rates of interest on their repayments. Credit note, see credit voucher. Credit score, a score given by a credit agency based on your history of borrowing and repayments. Your credit score reflects the level of risk involved in lending money to you. Another name for credit score is credit rating. Credit union, a not so profit corporative corporative association that offers similar services to a bank. Credit voucher, a card or note issued by a store when a purchase is returned, allowing a customer to make an alternative purchase. Cryptocurrency, virtual money that can be used online to buy and sell products and services. Currency, money used in a particular country. For example, pounds, dollars, and yen. Current current account, a bank account that is used to manage day-to-day money. For example, receiving wages and paying bills. Data, mobile data allows mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets to access the internet when a Wi Fi connection isn't available. Debit, money taken out of an account is debited to that account. If an account is in debit, there is money owed on the account. Another term for being in debit is being in the red. Debit card, a bank card used to pay for things online or in a shop without using cash. You can also use a debit card to withdraw money from your bank account using a cash machine. Debt, money you owe to another person or organization. Deduction, money taken off a salary for income, tax, or other payments. Deposit, money paid into a bank account. See also tenancy deposit and mortgage deposit. Direct debit, an instruction to a bank to release money from an account to make regular payments automatically. Hi, Carolyn Jones. You welcome. Thanks for tuning in tonight. Let me see. Where am I at? Okay, direct debit. And it's an instruction to a bank to release money from an account to make regular payments automatically. The building company makes a direct request to the bank and can often change the amount requested. Discount. Money taken off the price of something. Dividend. Money from a company's profits paid to people who have shares in the company. Employee. Someone who is paid to work for an organization, company, or individual. Employer. An organization, company, or individual who pays somebody else to work for them. Expenses, things you spend money on in order to live. Food and rent are examples of expenses. Fair trade. The fair trade movement aims to make sure that producers and workers are paid fairly for their work. Fixed interest rate. An interest rate that is guaranteed to stay the same for a fixed period of time. Fraud. The crime of deceiving people in some way, often to gain money. Gambling. Risking money on a game or other activity at which you can win or lose. Gross income, the total pay that people receive before any deductions, such as income tax, are made. Hire purchase, a way of paying for goods by borrowing the total cost and making regular repayments. Hire purchase is sometimes known as HP. In-app purchase, a purchase made inside an app. Income, money that you earn or receive. Your income is your money in. Income protection, see insurance. Income tax, a tax that has to be paid on the money people earn once their earnings reach a certain level. Insurance, a way to protect yourself from losing money if something goes wrong. You make a regular payment known as a premium to an insurance company in return for their guarantee of some financial protection. There are many different types of insurance, such as motor insurance, home contents, and home buildings insurance, travel insurance, and life insurance. Interest, money that is added to loan repayments or to savings in a bank account. Interest rate, a set percentage of a loan or of savings that determines how much interest is paid. Investing, using money to buy something that may increase in value over time. For example, shares in a company. Letting agent, someone who helps a landlord to find tenants and organizes rent payments and repairs. Loan, a sum of money that you borrow from a bank, an organization, or an individual, usually with interest added. Loan shark, someone who lends money without following the laws on lending. Maintenance loan, a loan available to students to cover day-to-day living costs. Minimum repayment, the smallest possible amount that must be paid off each month on a credit card or store card debt. Minimum wage, the lowest hourly wage that employers are allowed to pay by law. Mortgage, a a long-term loan from a building society or bank that allows people to buy their own home. Mortgages are paid back over a number of years. Mortgage deposit, a sum of money that people must pay up front towards the cost of a sum of money that people must pay up front towards the cost of a property when they are taking out a mortgage to buy it. National insurance, money taken off people's earnings to pay for benefits such as state pensions. Needs, things you cannot do without. Net income, the pay that people receive after deductions, such as income tax, are made. Net income is sometimes called take home pay. Online banking, a method of managing your bank account from your phone, tablet, or computer. Overdraft, a way of borrowing money from your bank through your current account. An arranged overdraft will allow you to spend money up to an agreed amount. If an overdraft is unauthorized, the borrower, will have to pay heavy fees. Ugh. Anyway, hi Sue Burks. Overtime, time worked in addition to the hours agreed in a contract of employment. Overtime can be paid or unpaid. Payday lender, a lender who provides a short term loan that charges extremely high rates of interest on the loan. Okay, pension, regular payments made to people who have reached their retirement age. There are three basic kinds of pension: a state pension paid by the government, a private pension paid by a private pension company, and a workplace pension. See workplace pension. PIN. PIN stands for Personal Identification Number. This is a 4-digit security number that is used with credit cards, bank cards, and online banking. Prepaid bank card, a bank card with money paid onto it in advance. Prepaid cards can be used for spending and withdrawing money. Profit, the amount of money left over after subtracting all costs and expenses. Receipt, a document given by a seller to a buyer as proof of a purchase. Receipts may be in paper or electric form. Rent, money paid by a tenant to the owner of a property, such as a house or a flat. Salary, a regular payment made by an employer to an employee. Salaries are usually paid once a month directly into an employee's bank account. Savings account, a bank account designed for saving money. The bank pays you interest on your savings. Shares, tiny parts of a company that are paid for by investors known as shareholders. Smartphone, a touchscreen phone that can access the internet. Standing order, an instruction to a bank to release money from an account to make payments automatically. Only the account holder can change the payments. Okay, I'm close to done, y'all. Okay, statement, a document that shows all your recent financial activity. Store card, a card issued by a shop or a chain of shops that works like a credit card. Ooh, excuse me. Store cards have even higher interest rates on repayments than credit cards. Store credits, see credit voucher. Student loan, see maintenance loan. And tuition fee loan. Student loan companies. Our student loans company, an organization that provides loans to students in universities and college in the UK to pay for their tuition and maintenance. The student loans company is often known as the SLC and is owned by the British government. Subscription, a regular payment for a product such as a mobile app or a magazine, or for a service such as membership of a club. Subscriptions are often paid monthly. Tablet, a small portable computer with a touchscreen. Tariff, a fixed number of call minutes, text, and data set out in a phone contract. Tax, money paid to the government. There are various taxes, including income tax, vehicle tax, and value added tax, VAT. VAT is paid on some goods and services. Tax allowance, the amount of money you can earn before you need to pay income tax. Tenancy deposit, money paid by a tenant before moving into a rented property as a way of protecting a landlord from the cost of any damage caused by that tenant. Tenant, someone who lives in a property rented from a landlord. Tuition fee loan, a loan that covers the cost of a university or college course. Unarranged overdraft, borrowing money from a bank without asking permission in advance. If you have an unarranged overdraft, you can face very large charges. Unit price, the price for one item or measurement, such as 1 kilogram or 1 liter, that can be used to compare the same type of goods sold in varying packages. Variable interest rate, an interest rate on repayments that is not fixed, so the size of the interest payments can change. Wages, the amount someone is paid for a job. Wages are usually paid monthly or weekly. Wants, things you would like to buy but you could do without. See also needs. Wi-Fi, a wireless connection to an internet router which provides interest to homes and businesses. Wi-Fi connections are only available close to the router. Withdraw. Hey, Kalina. Withdraw, money taken out of a bank or building society amount. Workplace pension, a pension set up by employers for their employees. A percentage of an employer's salary is paid into a pension fund, and the employer also contributes to each employee's pension. 0 hours contract, a contract of employment that does not guarantee a minimum number of works. Let me read that again. 0 hours contract, a contract of employment that does not guarantee a minimum number of hours worked. This is a good book and easy. Yes, it is, Carolyn. It is. I love this book. And that's the end. Woo, I am completely done reading Managing Your Money, because this is the name of this book, Managing Your Money. You can find this on Amazon.com. I think it's like between $10 and $12, but it's a good price. It's worth the money because, like I said, it has 22 chapters in it, and it has the money terms and words that I just read to y'all at the end of the book, along with quiz answers, with the index. So this is a very informational book. And I paid I think like $10 or $11 for it. So like I said, Amazon.com will be the best place to get this book from. It will be the best place to get the book from. Yeah, Carolyn, you should. And like I said, if you like this book and you like the chapters that I read to you, then you would definitely, it's worth the money. It's worth the investment. And this book can teach you a lot of things about money, how to manage it, how to spend it, and things like that. So did you all that's in the chat, did you all like this live tonight? Did y'all like did y'all like the work that I did? You can tell me what you think. Because I will be doing another live soon. Thank you, Carolyn. Yeah, Kalina, thank you. You should, because the videos of me reading this book, all of them are not really that long. They're like maybe some of them are like between 10 and 20 minutes long because the chapters was real short in between them times. But yeah, I think the longest video might be between 40 and 50 minutes. So these videos that I made reading this book, you can find the title. You can find when you click on the video, it tells you what title what title of the video is, which is managing your money. And I put the chapters that I was reading in them videos because I was reading 2 chapters at a time. So I did 11 lives, 11 videos, reading 2 chapters a piece of this book. And then this is the 12th video that I did on this book, which is the money words and terms. So, these videos are very easy to find. All you got to do is click under my live videos and you will find them easily. Yeah, Carolyn, thank you. I hope you and Kalina like the videos because I'm telling you, I give a lot of information in those videos too. They're not all of them are not that long. Like I said, some of them are between maybe 15 and 20 minutes up in that range. But like I said, if you like this video, you're gonna enjoy the other ones too. Thank you, Carolyn. Not Carolyn. Well, yeah, Carolyn and Kalina. But yes, the next live I plan on doing, if it's not healthy smoothie tip Monday or about healthy smoothie tips, it's gonna be about this new show that's coming on May 7th. It's at 9 o'clock after the Real Housewives of Atlanta premiere, and it's called Summer House, Martha's Vineyard. Yeah, Summer House, a new Summer House show. That's what it is. It's a new Summer House show that's coming on, and it's gonna be mainly a solely black cast. I believe it's gonna be all black people on this show. So, like I said, I'm gonna check out, but the next live I'm gonna read an article about the show. I'm gonna read the article that has the people that's gonna be on the show. So basically, I'll be introducing myself and you all to the people, and it gives information about the people too. So I think that'll be a good live to get to know the people of Summer House. But like I said, oh, you like the ones when I called Tory Lane Littlefoot? Yeah, I wonder how Mr. Littlefoot, or should I say, I wonder how the Littlefoot leprechaun doing behind bars. That's what I'm wondering. I wonder how Mr. Leprechaun is doing behind bars now. That's where he need to be. He need to be deported too, if you ask me. But anyway, I want to thank Sue Burks. I want to thank Marva. I want to thank Carolyn. And I want to thank Kalina. I want to thank all four of you ladies for coming in my chat. You know, I really appreciate it. I love and I appreciate you all. And I have 4 people and 7 lights. That is beautiful. That's wonderful. Like I said, I love and appreciate you all. If you have anything else you would like to say to me, you can let me know. If not, I'm going to end this live. And like I said, I will be back soon to talk about Summer House, Martha's Vineyard, the new show that's coming on Bravo May 7th. I will talk about that show. I think I'm going to watch it too. I think I'm going to check it out. I think it'll be a good show to watch. But like I said, 4 people and 8 likes, that's good. But like I said, I love and appreciate you all. I want to thank you all for watching the video. You know, 4 people, 8 likes is wonderful. We're 31 minutes into the video. But anyway, I hope you all like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you like. And like I said, thanks for watching. You all have a good night. Enjoy the rest of your week until I see you again, either on live or a pre-recorded video. But well, good night to you, Kalina. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you like. Thanks for watching. Peace.